Oh wow! You were probably watching those videos thinking, what is going on and how did you end up in this situation? Well, I'm actually wondering the same thing. So let's go back to the beginning where we were making our way to the small town of Hoi An.
We made it to the hostel. That was like a very, very quick ride, surprisingly fast. But we made it to Hoi An. Let's go.
Okay, this is the new room. We got a double bed, we splurged on the room.
So nice not to share a room with coughing people like Brad.
I was that person that everyone hated in the hostel because of my coughing. We got chairs, that's rare.
Look how comfortable he looks.
Look at the space here.
So much space for activities.
I'm excited. We're here for pretty long, at least 5 nights, so we're gonna get settled. The rain is really coming down. We want to go explore, but we're gonna get soaked. We have met up with our friend Nash again. Hey. We're gonna go explore, wish us luck for the rain. The rain is really coming down. It's not making it easy to explore Hoi An. I think it's even harder than yesterday.
Is your camera waterproof or what?
A little bit. I probably shouldn't be.
Oh, come on, you got it, bro.
I'm trying to find the hole.
And there he is.
Got it.
Yeah! Woo! Come on! Yeah!
Have to remember that again. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
Just sat down at this coffee place, right on the water. We've got some boats. So beautiful. Oh, there's a young Gerald up there. Look, I'm gonna give him a quick zoom. This is the spot upstairs with the boys drinking their milk coffees.
Just ways, just. Hoi An, baby, let's go! We found the sun, we found the sun. I'm like tucked up in my cocoon now. I feel very safe.
Wait, who's there?
Push up, you gotta go. Oh. Hey! You're never too old. Yeah, here's a quote for you. You don't stop playing because you grow old. You grow old because you stop playing.
Wow,
right there.
so profound.
Pearls, pearls,
Amen,
baby.
amen.
I'm falling in love with this place and I've been here a few hours. It is so quiet. These tiny streets, these old looking buildings. It is beautiful here. I'm thoroughly enjoying this place so far.
This is the place we're gonna eat for some lunch.
Hopefully it's good. This is a dish called khao lao, and apparently it's a dish that you can only get in Hoi An. So if you're here, apparently it's highly recommended. I unfortunately can't eat it to tell you guys, but apparently it's very good. According to these boys, you gotta come get it. I got fried noodles with tofu and veg. It looks delicious. I'm gonna enjoy it. Morning. It is still raining, but it is a new day and we're trying to make the most of it. Right now we're gonna have a walk around. I'm not that hungry, I'll be honest with you. We had quite a night last night. We went out.
Wow.
How's that, eh?
Wow, what is that, Harry? What did you order?
Coconut coffee.
Coconut coffee.
Ice cold coconut coffee. So good.
It's so good.
Got a ginger and lemon tea. That was so hot. This is crazy. We just walked past this area. It is the school rush going down. It's a lot of people. So a big thing in Hoi An is that you can get stuff made. So there's a lot of leather, bags, shoes, clothes, suits. You can get whatever you need here. If you're looking for some good quality stuff for a good price, Hoi An is definitely the place for you. Oh, this chick's a bit scary.
Look at this shit.
We're just looking at some of the Vietnamese art and I'm actually surprised. Some of it's pretty good, eh?
I think when you say a little bit impressed, I think it's actually really good.
Yeah.
Some really good stuff here. Being a bit
Am I being harsh? Apparently I'm being too critical. That's good. I like the art. Don't know the artist, but you did a good job.
Hoi An, let's go!
Lunch was actually so good. We landed up going to the same place we went to yesterday and no regrets. I got the exact same thing and it was as good.
Chocolate?
Try one. Is that one nice? It's so good. What? This is like mango. This is so good.
The mango one.
Try the pepper.
Ooh, I don't like that one. Pepper chocolate.
Got some hot chocolate with gold.
Tastes expensive. We're going to do some lantern painting and making. Hopefully it's fun. Lantern making, this is the crew. Just me and the girls.
This is the one I got.
Gonna try to be creative.
I know exactly how to do that now, eh? One at the top is definitely not mine. Come on, not too bad. That's mine, that's hers. I tried. How's that looking, guys?
Not bad.
Convoy, met convoy. I finished Lantern. I think that's my best work. Bamboo, my convoy. It sounded like a true artist, eh?
I tried.
Like?
Yeah, wow.
Pretty good, eh? My convoy not too good. Yeah, that's Mimi. Pretty good, pretty good. Taz. Wow. Charlotte. Wow.
Comments who won. I think me. It's Convoy. Good morning, what's happening? Another day, another hangover. It's still raining. I can't even believe it. We had a late one, it's almost lunchtime. That's a pretty well-known spot apparently. And it was good. Madam Khan, I highly recommend. You should go eat. I just got a new purchase. The first bracelet in the front. I bargained it down as well from 70 to 50. Expert bargainer now. It's like cold tea. I've got a milk coffee with ice. It seems like this is my go-to coffee in Vietnam. We're doing some shopping for some leather goods. We're gonna get this wallet. I'm also gonna get a belt. Stuff looks really good quality and it is so cheap. To put in perspective, a belt costs like maybe around 200 rand. What do you think of the belt? I mean, this is a wallet. What do you think of it? Good morning. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah.
Let's go cooking, Taz. Oh, she's ready.
Today we're doing a cooking class that is going to be led by our guide Hoi An, who seemed to know exactly what I couldn't eat.
So two vegetarian?
No seafood.
No,
Some
I
fish.
know.
Okay. You know.
You need to trust me.
Achim.
So the first we go to the market.
Okay, we're going into the market to find some ingredients. We got our shopping bag. Apparently, I'm cooking fish. Should be good, eh? Convoy fish. Boys ready, eh? Yeah, let's go.
The plan was to find all the ingredients we would need to cook our dishes, so Hon started by showing us the
Like
crabs.
female and male. Which one is better, do you know?
We think male is better.
Always
Oh.
better.
Next, we moved on to the fresh vegetables.
Fresh, natural, organic, more flavor from our country.
Not fresh anymore.
And we had to decide how spicy we wanted it to be.
And this one chili for Vietnamese. Joe, this one. Good luck for him today. In my home we don't have milk, okay?
We also got to try a lot of very interesting Vietnamese foods.
Sweet.
Harry, it's good.
Yummy.
On, what is this?
Cassava with coconut, peanut, sauce, sugar, and fried shallot.
Okay.
Outside tapioca. So we have here tapioca dumpling with sweet chili sauce, fried shallot. Ben chili.
Sticky rice cake with quinoa. Not my favorite. Not for me. It smells extremely fishy. Down at the market, time to go on the coconut boats. Looks fun. Bye-bye. We go spin. That's the guy behind us we're going with, maybe. I don't know. But we're going to spin. Apparently it's like crazy. Get ready. Wish us luck. They're rocking the hats. Finally got them. Now we're ready, eh? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Oh wow. Taking over, doing some rowing. I'm gonna lose my voice again.
Wow, we're fishing now. We're gonna catch some goods, baby. Harry, you needed to catch us some fish, man.
I've never been a gifted fisherman, I'll tell you that much. I try, but I'm not a good fisherman.
Oh!
Bro, I'm getting so dizzy, man. Come on, it's enough. Yeah. Oh, I can't fucking see you, man. Whoa, are you dizzy? Yeah. That was too fun, man. What a crazy experience. Now I think we're cooking. I don't know though.
We finally made our way into the kitchen, and the first thing to do was to have a welcome drink. Everyone found their place at the table and put on their aprons.
Chef Brad in the kitchen.
Yes, Chef Brad.
I look good.
Yeah, ready has that, man.
First things first, we had to make starters, so we chopped up the vegetables.
Yeah, it's good for
We tasted some things.
Wow. It's actually really good.
We made a vegetable swan.
That's scary.
We fried up tofu for a salad. And we learned how to flip a rice pancake.
One more. Oh, okay, that was good.
We even made fresh spring rolls and fried spring rolls. The fresh spring rolls were made by rolling together the vegetables, and the fried spring rolls were made by frying up the pastry. We had a break by enjoying all of the delicious starters.
It's good.
Yes?
Top me out.
And then we prepared the mains, which was fish. We seasoned it, wrapped it in a special leaf. And then put it on the grill. The fish turned out to be amazing, and they even surprised us with the dessert.
If you want to check it out, it's called Coconut Fragrance Cooking Class and Tour. Really good, I recommend. One is the best, and they should come visit. Hey, yeah.
Thank you.
We're getting on the bus to the last 15-hour journey. It's been my favorite place, Hoi An, so far, but I'm ready for the journey. You ready, Harry? That's very loud. He said yes, sir.
My, oh my. My, oh my.
It is called Perreco. Perreco.
Come on! Am I even in the shot?
Yes, I'm just doing good handles. Don't worry about me, bro.
Cameraman Harry on the move, eh?
I'll throw in another quote for the audience, just because slow is smooth and smooth is steady.
People are getting free food content. So.
You gotta pay for that feed content, eh?
Yeah, Hoi An, yeah! Woo!
Someone stole my raincoat. Convoy. How's the banh mi, Harry?
Can you stop shining your fucking...
No, how is it? How is it?
It's fucking good.
He left a lot of it in his glasses. That camera on my face. Whoa, eh?
That's why you're very handsome. You see?
Your husband's right there, no?
Okay, convoy do fish.
Convoy the fish.
Convoy, baby
Yeah.
convoy.
Baby convoy.
I need to say hello to your
Yeah,
video?
yeah.
No, I don't want to be famous.
You're already famous to us on.
And this one is ripe mango.
Shout it to him, shout it to him.
Can I get a oh yeah? Can I get a Hoi An?
She thought it not though, bro. Just good energy.
I don't know what they are, bro.
Yeah, they something.
These oaks aren't happy fucking...
Happy juice, happy water.
I don't even know what they are.
Okay, wait. It's the pan. Oh! See that? One more. What? Counts.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Convoy. Hi, you think it's not good?
What's it good? What's it good?
I don't know.
Oh, she doesn't know.
You can see Hax hasn't been on the bag. Doesn't know how to weigh out the grams. You can see Mimi's on the bag.
Pretty good. Could be better, hey?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, convoy.
Don't cut your nail, okay? We keep kosher.